In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the formula field in ClickUp. If you've ever wished for a way to have dynamic data and calculations directly within your tasks, this feature is exactly what you need. The formula field is a powerful type of custom field that brings the functionality of a spreadsheet formula directly into your ClickUp tasks. It's designed to handle mathematical expressions and logical operators, allowing you to generate calculated results in a seamless and efficient manner. To get started with a formula field, the first thing you need to do is add it to your task. You will find this option by navigating to the far right column of your list view, where you'll see a plus sign. Give it a click, and then search for the formula option from the menu that appears. This is your gateway into creating calculations tailored to your needs right within ClickUp. Once you've added your formula field, clicking on it will open up a versatile interface. Here, you'll notice three distinct sections. The middle of this interface is dedicated to the mathematical operation itself, while the two sections on either side serve as inputs for your data. Selecting these inputs is straightforward. You can choose from any number fields you've already set up in your task view. For example, if you have two different number fields you'd like to use, simply select them to act as your inputs. After these selections, it's all about defining the mathematical operation you want to perform between these fields. After you've set up your inputs and chosen your operation, it's time to see the formula field in action. All you need to do is click the Calculate button, and ClickUp will handle the rest. It will automatically compute the formula using the data you provided, displaying the result right in your task view. This immediate feedback can be incredibly helpful when you're managing projects with dynamic data that changes frequently. For those of you who are looking to go beyond basic calculations, ClickUp also offers an advanced editor. This tool is perfect for more complex operations, allowing for greater flexibility and precision in how your data is managed and displayed. Whether you're dealing with sums, averages, or more intricate formulas, this advanced editor has you covered. And that's essentially it. By integrating formula fields into your workflow, you can unlock a new level of customization and efficiency in ClickUp. With these steps, you will be well on your way to leveraging the full power of ClickUp's formula fields, turning your task lists into a dynamic powerhouse of information.